Do you want to master your money, break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, and achieve financial independence? These 5 books have changed lives, including mine, and they could change yours too. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Financially Savvy, the place where we help you take control of your finances and create the life you've always dreamed of. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 book recommendations for achieving financial independence. These books are must-reads if you're serious about transforming your relationship with money, building wealth, and living life on your terms. Stick around until the end, because I'll also give you tips on how to actually implement the strategies from these books into your life. Ready? Let's get started. Book number 1, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. The first book on our list is The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This book is the ultimate guide to investing for financial independence. J.L. Collins simplifies complex financial concepts and focuses on one key message: invest in low-cost index funds and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Key takeaways: keep your investments simple. Stick to index funds like VT-SAX. Avoid debt like the plague, it's the #1 wealth killer. Embrace the magic of FU money, having enough savings to live life on your terms. Book number 2, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Next up is a classic, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book completely shifts how you think about money and assets. The main lesson? Your job won't make you rich, but building assets will. Key takeaways: understand the difference between assets, things that put money in your pocket, and liabilities, things that take money out. Start thinking like an investor, not an employee. Build passive income streams like real estate or businesses. Book number 3, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin is all about redefining your relationship with money. This book challenges you to ask, am I spending my life energy wisely? Key takeaways: calculate your real hourly wage to understand the true cost of your purchases. Focus on financial independence as a lifestyle, not just a goal. Align your spending with your values for greater happiness. Book number 4, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. The Millionaire Next Door reveals a surprising truth. Most millionaires aren't flashy. They're frugal and focused. This book is based on research into how millionaires actually build and maintain wealth. Spoiler, it's not about fancy cars or big houses. Key takeaways: live below your means. It's the millionaire mindset. Focus on consistent saving and smart investing. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Book number 5, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Finally, we have Atomic Habits by James Clear. While this isn't strictly a finance book, it's essential for building the habits that lead to financial success. Key takeaways: small habits compound into big results over time. Focus on systems, not just goals. For example, automate your savings instead of relying on willpower. Identity-based habits. Start seeing yourself as someone who is financially disciplined. How to implement what you learn. Now that you know the top 5 books for financial independence, here's how to implement what you've learned. Read with intention. Highlight key points and take notes. 2. Pick one actionable step from each book and start applying it. 3. Stay consistent. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. These books are powerful, but only if you take action. These 5 books have completely transformed how I think about money, and I'm confident they'll do the same for you. Which one are you most excited to read? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to start their financial independence journey. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and keep chasing your dreams.